In today's video, we are going to solve problem 19. Press S plus X plus 2 to scale cube twice to X-axis. Press R plus Z plus 90 to rotate it 90 degrees. Shift plus D to duplicate it and press G plus X to move it in X-axis. Now right-click on the bar in the bottom to add a horizontal split viewport into two equal halves. Click on the blue Z-circle gizmo in the upper viewport. Scale the cuboid to 0.5 in Z-axis. Press Shift plus D to duplicate object and move in X-axis. Press S plus Y plus 0.5 to scale it 1/2 in Y-axis. Shift select all the solid cuboids and press Ctrl plus J to join them. Right-click and shade Auto Smooth. Bring the light near the solid. Click on Video Recorder option and navigate the camera to a good view and render the image. Congratulations, you have solved the problem. A few other videos will come on Blender problems very soon. You can join our channel. Thanks for watching.